South Africa and New Zealand will battle for a spot in the final as they clash in the ICC Champions Trophy 2025 semi-final at the Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore on March 5th, 2:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Both the teams have shown great resilience in the tournament, and this match will decide who earns the chance to compete for the prestigious title. Now moving on to match preview of South Africa versus New Zealand semi-final 2. The ICC Champions Trophy 2025 has reached to its penultimate stage, where South Africa and New Zealand are set to face off in a highly competitive second semi-final. South Africa topped Group B with 2 wins in their 3 group stage matches. Their last group stage match saw them secure a convincing 7-wicket victory over England, thanks to brilliant performances from Rassie van der Dussen, 72 runs, and Hendrik Klaasen, 64 runs. New Zealand, on the other hand, has finished second in the Group A, showing promise despite suffering 44-run defeat to India in their last group stage encounter. Their bowling attack has been sharp. Their batting unit led by Kane Williamson and Rachin Ravindra has been solid throughout the tournament. Both the team possess strong squads, with South Africa's batting depth and New Zealand's balanced unit, making this a fascinating contest. Now the South Africa versus New Zealand head-to-head records. Matches played 68. South Africa won 42 matches. New Zealand won 26 matches. Moving on to South Africa versus New Zealand weather report. Temperatures around 19 degrees Celsius. Weather forecast, light rains are expected. Pitch behavior, batting friendly pitch is expected. Best suited to pace bowlers. Average first inning score is 302 runs, whereas teams chasing are having 35% success rate, which is a poor record. Now where to watch South Africa versus New Zealand game? Cricket fans can catch the live action of South Africa versus New Zealand semi-final on Star Sports and Sports 18 channels in India and Sky Sports in New Zealand. The match will also be live streamed on Jio Hotstar application, ensuring fans don't miss any of the high stakes action. Now moving on to South Africa and New Zealand's predicted playing 11s. South African playing 11. Tristan Stubbs opening alongside Ryan Reckleton. At number 3 will be Rassie van der Dussen. At number 4, Captain Aiden Markram. At number 5, Hendrik Klaasen, the wicket-keeper. At number 6 will be David Miller. At number 7, Wiaan Mulder. At number 8, Marco Jansen. At number 9, Keshav Maharaj. At number 10, Kagiso Rabada, and finally Lungi Ngidi at number 11. Moving on to New Zealand, Rachin Ravindra opening alongside William. At number 3 will be Kane Williamson. At number 4, Daryl Mitchell. At number 5, Tom Latham, the wicket-keeper. At number 6 will be Glenn Phillips. At number 7, Michael Bracewell. At number 8, Michelle Santner, the captain. At number 9, Matt Henry. At number 10, Kyle Jamieson. And finally, William O'Rourke at number 11. Now moving on to Dream 11 fantasy suggestions for South Africa versus New Zealand semi-final. Firstly, captaincy picks. Rachin Ravindra, a top all-rounder who offers value both with bat and ball. Despite a low score in the last match, he picked up one crucial wicket. Hendrik Klaasen, a destructive middle-order batter who scored 64 in the previous match, making him a crucial fantasy pick. Now the top picks. Kane Williamson, a composed batsman who scored 81 in the last match and is known for anchoring the inning. Marco Jansen, a key all-rounder who took 3 wickets in his last outing, providing crucial breakthroughs. Now the budget picks. Ryan Reckleton, a reliable opener for South Africa with the ability to stabilize the innings. Glenn Phillips, a dynamic batter who can accelerate scoring and contribute with his off-spin. Now moving on to highly anticipated South Africa versus New Zealand Dream 11 team suggestions. Team 1, wicket-keepers Hendrik Klaasen, Ryan Reckleton and Tom Latham. Batsmen, Kane Williamson, Rachin Ravindra and Rassie van der Dussen. All-rounders, Marco Jansen, Michelle Santner and Michael Bracewell. And finally the bowlers, Matt Henry and Kagiso Rabada. Talking about captains and vice-captains, Rachin Ravindra will be leading this side, having Marco Jansen as his deputy. Now moving on to Team 2, wicket-keepers Hendrik Klaasen and Ryan Reckleton. Batsmen, Kane Williamson, Rachin Ravindra and Rassie van der Dussen. All-rounders, Marco Jansen, Michelle Santner and Michael Bracewell. And finally the bowlers, Matt Henry, Kagiso Rabada and Keshav Maharaj. Talking about captains and vice-captains, Kane Williamson will be the vice-captain of this team, having Hendrik Klaasen as the leader. Now finally, South Africa versus New Zealand match prediction. South Africa has looked like a dominant force in the tournament with a strong batting lineup and a quality pace attack. Their top order featuring Rassie van der Dussen and Hendrik Klaasen has been in fine touch. Their bowling attack led by Rabada and Jansen can dismantle any side. However, New Zealand has a well-balanced team with Kane Williamson's leadership and Rachin Ravindra's all-round skills, making them a formidable opponents. Their bowling attack featuring Matt Henry and Michelle Santner can exploit South Africa's weaknesses. Given New Zealand's ability to handle high pressure matches, they have a strong chance of winning semi-final. However, if South Africa's batting lineup fires, they could turn the game into their favor. Expect a closely contested battle with both teams fighting hard for a spot in the final. Stay tuned for exciting match analysis, Dream 11 prediction, and the match prediction as the Champions Trophy 2025 moves to its grand finale and excitement grows louder and louder.